Hello everyone. In March 2022, we released a new version separating Mockplus RP from Mockplus Cloud. Let's take a look at some of the main changes. Previously, Mockplus helps you create prototypes from scratch in Mockplus RP, while letting you review, collaborate and hand off projects in Mockplus Cloud, all in one project and platform. With this update, we have created separate areas for both Mockplus RP and Mockplus Cloud. Now we have an independent place to create, edit and manage all of your RP prototypes at rp.mockplus.com. Don't worry, this change will not cause any data loss or affect the use of RP, since all of your existing RP projects in your team are simply transferred here. Mockplus Cloud, on the other hand, will focus more on design collaboration and handoff. Copies of your RP projects that existed before will also be kept in Mockplus Cloud, but you will need to switch to the prototype mode to find them all. You can quickly switch between the two via the button in the lower left corner of the project homepage. In previous releases, team members who entered single page mode may see the content of a project being edited, but not yet completed. To avoid such issues and clearly differentiate what you design and what you collaborate on, Mockplus RP and Mockplus Cloud are divided into two separate places, and the design content will not automatically stay in sync. Simply put, after finishing editing the project, you need to click Publish on the RP canvas to sync the project content to Mockplus Cloud for further collaboration and handoff. In addition, the project status and project members in RP and Cloud are also independent of each other. For example, members you've set up for Cloud projects will not automatically be synced to RP projects. You'll need to go to RP and set the members up manually again. When you clone a project in Cloud, the source project and the duplicated project will, like this, have the same designs and prototypes. However, the cloning will not be synced to RP. You have to go to RP to clone it here. Although Mockplus Cloud and Mockplus RP are separated now, they still share the same team. If the team is disbanded, all projects of Mockplus Cloud and Mockplus RP will be deleted at the same time. So, be cautious when disbanding any team. That's all for this video. If you have any questions during use, please feel free to contact us.